I think I was meant to be a nurse. As a kid, I always loved taking care of my siblings and friends. In this profession, there is an ultimate joy in serving the sick and walking with them through their recovery. Hi, I'm Deepa. I work as a nurse at Sukino Healthcare Solutions. I have 11 years of experience in this field. I used to work as a full-time nurse at the hospital before. Here, I work as a critical care and need-based nurse for patients at home. Job as a nurse is not easy. Definitely not easy. It's a little chaotic. But I do try to find my peace in between, maybe for few seconds or few minutes. I do enjoy my job too. Working as a home nurse is completely different. At the hospital, a patient has an entire support system that include doctors, physiotherapists, attendant, around the clock. Nurses are just a part of the team, but responsibilities are shared. But when it comes to care at home, especially critical care, the entire responsibility of health and safety of the patient lies on me. It's empowering in many ways, but intimidating at the same time. I was with a patient, Lakshmi, for more than a year. She had suffered a stroke. She required critical nursing care in terms of medication, tracheostomy care like suctioning and Ryle's tube feeding, positioning to prevent from bed sore, passive exercises, then assistance in walking, urinary catheter, bowel and bladder care. Stroke changes your perspective of life completely. It breaks you down mentally as well. It affected me too to see her like this. But thankfully, I have been trained at Sukino to have endless patience and compassion apart from the technical expertise, and that helped me handle the situation. My job was to bring her back to life, bring her back to the strong woman she used to be. And it took me more than a year, but she did recover. And by the time I moved out, she was 80% better than how she was 1.5 years back. Need-based visits are relatively similar. Today I am going to meet Seema, a diabetes patient whom I visit every week. She required support in terms of medication, insulin administration, food care exercises, and bowel and bladder care.
We groom our nurses to be more like companions than just providing nursing care. We hire highly qualified staff with 1 year of experience to join as a fresher and a minimum of 5 to 10 years to join as a senior. Apart from their qualification, we run quality checks on their clinical skills, and we further train them in soft skills like communication, patient etiquette, bedside manners, nursing ethics, and personal grooming.
Thank you, Deepa. I look forward to see you every week.
Thank you, Deepa, for not only being a great nurse but a great friend too.
I work in different environment with different challenges, but I make sure I deliver what is expected of me and beyond. End of the day, what matters to me is my patient's speedy recovery and their physical and mental health.